In this video, I'm going to show you how to create whiteboard videos in SeeSaw. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. For this, you first have to log into your SeeSaw account using your teacher email ID. You can use Gmail ID for this part. Next, when you have logged in, you will be redirected to the dashboard where you will see the icon of Add. Click on the icon to choose the first option, Post Student Work. Then you will be redirected to the page where you will choose which type of work you want to post to the student. For using the whiteboard, select the Drawing option. After clicking on the Drawing option, you will be provided with the space to use the whiteboard however you like. On the left side, there will be an option to record the screen along with spoken instructions using the device's microphone. Once the microphone is enabled, you can record the whole session of using the whiteboard along with the spoken instructions. Click on the Done tab given on the top right corner and then select the student's batch you want to share the video with. Then, click in the tick mark tab on the top right corner and the video will then be uploaded to the server and the students will be able to see it on their profile feed. That's it guys, this is how you can create whiteboard videos for free in SeeSaw. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV, for more videos like this.